In this era, marketers and business owners like yourself are recognizing the importance of social media in terms of engaging your audience about your products or services. Realizing social media growth is beyond just posting your content to different social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. As a marketer, you need to post captivating and relevant content to be able to create a rapport with your audience by providing value. Today, marketers are discovering different and clever hacks at a rapid speed. We'll only be sharing 6 social media marketing growth hacks, but if you want the additional 24 social media marketing growth hacks, totaling it up to 30 social media marketing growth hacks, you can find it in the description box below. Just click on the link and download it right now. Before I start sharing on the growth hacks, do subscribe to us and click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release a new video. The first social media marketing growth hack that I will share with you is to post during the highest engagement times and day. For Facebook, the highest traffic occurs midweek between 1 PM to 3 PM. For Instagram, the highest traffic usually occurs between 2 PM to 3 PM on Tuesdays to Fridays. One additional tip that I can share with you is that if you have an Instagram business account or Instagram business page, you can make use of Instagram Insights. So go to audience and you can find what times and days your audience are most active at and use it to your advantage and post at those timings instead. The second social media marketing growth hack I can share with you is to use hashtags for your post. So why should you use hashtags? Especially for Instagram, hashtags is one of the ways where people start to build communities and people get discovered. Do you know that you can use up to 30 hashtags per post on Instagram? So if you want to check out how many impressions were generated from hashtags itself, just click on the post, click on View Insights, and look at the number of impressions you got from hashtags. Also, don't forget to create your own brand hashtags and make sure to use it on every single one of your posts. For example, for our brand, we use our own hashtag, #Plexxie. Plus, we encourage our community to use the hashtags whenever they publish a post that is relatable to our brand. The third hack that I have for you is to use hashtags on your Instagram stories. You can use 10 hashtags per Instagram story. A tip that I have for you is that you can use all 10 hashtags on one story and use a sticker to hide it. So here's how you do it. So here's how you hide your hashtags on Instagram stories. So just create an Instagram story, and in all the hashtags, remember that you can use up to 10 hashtags, and then you're going to choose one sticker that is big enough to cover all 10 hashtags, and that way your hashtags would not be seen and it would not be so noisy visually. That's how you do it. So the fourth hack I have for you is to use the best hashtags. So you can include more specific hashtags involving your industry and location for more engagement. For example, if you're in the technology industry and you're located in New York City, you can use hashtag TechNYC. You can mix and match hashtags for your posts that are popular and maybe not so popular. So usually the popular hashtags consist of over 500,000 user-generated content, while the not so popular ones probably around 10,000 to 500,000 user-generated content. This improves your chances of getting spotted by your potential audience. You can also research on what hashtags to use manually. So here's how you can do it. So what I suggest you guys not to do is to use any auto-generator for hashtags online. So instead, do it manually. So let's say you're in the tech industry, you can use hashtag technology, tap on it. On this page, you can see all the relevant hashtags that you can use or apply. So just keep a list of probably 50 different hashtags, and from there you can mix and match for every single post so that it's very relatable to the content that you are going to post. The fifth hack that I have for you is to constantly engage with your audience. There's no shortcut to this, guys. You constantly need to talk and communicate with your audience. Reply to their comments promptly, even though you know it's a copy and paste comment. You just have to reply them. You know why? Because it will all add up into the number of comments that you have every single post. Interact with your audience by asking them to leave a comment, or maybe you can do a poll, a question, or you can even ask for feedback for every single post. Don't be scared if nobody replies you. The most important thing is you know where you are currently at for your business on social media. The sixth hack is to stop sharing too much content that is all about Me, 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 me. Stop sharing too much content that is so self-centered that you are not providing any value except for only selling your products or services. Start creating and sharing valuable content that will benefit your audience. So what you can do is you can do fun facts, you can share memes, you can share GIFs, and you can share curated articles. There's a lot of type of content that you can share that doesn't have to include anything about selling your products or services. The only thing to note when you are creating your branded content to share online is to include your watermark with your business name and maybe your Instagram handle or Facebook or Twitter handles. Ultimately, what you want to do is to gain their trust and then you sell to them your products and services. So that's it guys, that's the 6 social media marketing growth hacks that I will share with you today. If you want the additional 24 social media marketing growth hacks, just go down to the description box and click on the link. Remember to subscribe to us, click on the icon button, and we'll see you in the next video.